Okay, welcome everybody in this session. I am Dr. Nasrin Sultana Lavli, Associate Professor of Physiology, Moinamoti Medical College, Kumilla. Today, we will study general physiology questions of Viva questions of general physiology item 4 and 5. Item 4 and 5. That is last topics today we will discuss. Please write down everybody from item 4. Item 4. I am reading the questions. What is membrane potential? What is membrane potential? That is definition of membrane potential and functions of membrane potential. First questions of item 4. What is membrane potential, or define membrane potential and functions of membrane potential? This is very, very important Viva question. Item 4. See here, I'm already, I think already you have this lecture item 4 and item 5. I had given you this lecture item 4 and 5. And everybody, I think, get this lecture, membrane potential or action potential note and muscle physiology note. Okay? Please see the membrane, only listen to me. What is membrane potential or define membrane potential? First thing, the electrical potential differences across the membrane is called membrane potential. This is the definition of membrane potential. The electrical potential differences across the cell membrane is called membrane potential. That is, this is cell membrane. Look here, this is cell membrane. The electrical potential differences across the membrane is called membrane potential. Now, next slide. What are the functions of membrane potential? Membrane potential is essential for, these are the functions of membrane potential, very, very important Viva questions. First thing, conduction of nerve impulse. Second, conduction of cardiac impulse. Muscle contraction, influx and efflux of ions, secretion from glandular cells, movement of cilia, functions of macrophages, etc. These are the functions of membrane potential. Already I think you got this note from my lecture class. Now, next question. What is resting membrane? Please write down everybody. What is resting membrane potential? What is resting membrane potential, or RMP? This is popular Viva question. What is RMP and what are the causes of RMP? Second question. Please write down everybody. What is RMP, or resting membrane potential, and causes of RMP? RMP, I think everybody knows this definition. Everybody knows this definition. What is RMP? Resting membrane potential. Just like membrane potential at resting state. That is the definition of membrane potential at resting state. See here, the electrical potential differences across the cell membrane at resting stage is called resting membrane potential. This is very easy definition. Now, causes of RMP. First cause, I want to hear first cause, sodium potassium pump. Sodium potassium pump. Number 2, potassium permeability. Potassium permeability is 100 times greater than sodium in the resting state through potassium leak channel. This is very important. Potassium permeability, high potassium permeability is one of the causes of creating RMP. Number 3, Gibbs-Donan effect or Donan membrane equilibrium or Donan effect. These 3 are major causes of or creating of RMP, that is resting membrane potential. Next question. Why RMP is negative inside the cell? Next question. Why RMP is negative inside the cell? 2 causes. RMP is negative inside the cell because of the following facts. Only 2 causes you have to mention here. First thing, role of Gibbs-Donan membrane equilibrium. That is, inside the cell, there are negatively charged macromolecule, mainly protein and other anions, that is sulfate, phosphate, which are entrapped within the cell membrane. They are not transport through the cell membrane, which are impermeable to cell membrane. So they create negativity inside the cell. Number 2, role of sodium potassium pump, that is active transport of ions through the membrane, that is sodium potassium pump. Each time cell loses one positive ion from inside for each sodium potassium pump. As we know that through the sodium potassium pump, 3 sodium ion pumps from inside to outside the cell membrane, and 2 potassium ion enters from outside to inside the cell membrane. So every time cell loses one positive ion from inside, so it creates negativity inside the cell. That's why RMP, that is resting membrane potential, is always negative inside the cell. Now, next question. What is Nernst potential? What is Nernst potential, and what is the Nernst potential for sodium and potassium? Nernst potential, যখন আমরা সিঙ্গেল আয়ন ক্যালকুলেট করব, আমি বলেছিলাম যে সিঙ্গেল আয়ন যদি ক্যালকুলেশন করি, ওই সময় যে ইকুয়েশনটি ইউজ করি সেটার নাম হচ্ছে কি? Nernst equation. এবং আমরা ভাইভাতে কোনটা জিজ্ঞেস করি? Please tell me the Nernst potential for sodium ion, tell me the Nernst potential for potassium ion. See here in the figure I mentioned here, Nernst potential for sodium ion plus 61 millivolt. Always remember this thing. This is very, very important thing. Nernst potential for sodium ion plus 61 millivolt, Nernst potential for potassium ion minus 94 millivolt, minus 94 millivolt. Definition ta lecture note theke shikhe nebe. What is Nernst potential? Now, next question, what is Goldman equation? যখন মাল্টিপল আয়ন আমরা ক্যালকুলেশন করি, যে ইকুয়েশনটা ইউজ করি সেটার নাম কি? Goldman equation. Now, next, RMP of a, write down please, RMP of a large nerve fiber, neuron, SA node, cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and RBC. I am repeating again, RMP for Viva question. RMP of a large nerve fiber, neuron, SA node, cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and RBC. Now next question, what is action potential? What are the stages of action potential? Very, very important written and Viva question. What is action potential? An action potential is a rapid change in the membrane potential followed by a return to the resting membrane potential. তাহলে rapidly depolarization হয়ে আবার rapidly এটা কোথায় চলে আসবে? repolarization হয়ে again comes back to the normal resting membrane potential. This is called action potential. What is threshold stimulus? This is very important things. What is threshold stimulus? It is the maximum strength of stimulus which is sufficient to produce an action potential. In case of nerve fiber, it is minus 65 millivolt. আমরা জানি যে nerve fiber এর RMP কত? minus 90 millivolt. কিন্তু threshold stimulus, একটা অ্যাকশন পোটেনশিয়াল নার্ভ ফাইবারে ক্রিয়েট হওয়ার জন্য তার থ্রেশহোল্ড স্টিমুলাই কত? minus 65 মিলিভোল্ট দরকার হয়। একটা লার্জ নার্ভ ফাইবারে যদি আমি অ্যাকশন পোটেনশিয়ালটা স্টার্ট করতে চাই, তার থ্রেশহোল্ড স্টিমুলাই কত হবে? minus 65 millivolt. In figure, I'm showing you in this picture from your textbook Guyton and Hall. See here in this figure, threshold stimuli. See here, when you give you stimulus, maximum stimuli minus 65 millivolt, minus 65 millivolt, then depolarization occurs. That is it going towards the positive direction. This is depolarization. Again, it comes to the resting membrane level. This is called repolarization. Now, how many stages of action potential? ইয়ামিন যুক্ত আছো? ইয়ামিন যুক্ত আছো? How many stages? There are 3 stages of action potential. There are 3 stages of action potential. That is, ইয়ামিন কে আছো? তামিম আছো কিনা? তামিম, ইয়ামিন, হ্যাঁ, স্টেজ কয়টা আছে অ্যাকশন পটেনশিয়ালে? হ্যাঁ, অ্যাকশন পটেনশিয়ালের স্টেজ কয়টা?
3টা ম্যাম।
কি বলো?
3টা ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ, 3টা।
রেস্টিং স্টেজ, ডিপোলারাইজেশন আর রিপোলারাইজেশন।
Very good. Resting stage, depolarization. Depolarization for which ion depolarization occur? কোন electrolyte
Ma'am,
responsible?
sodium,
Yes, very good.
sodium ion.
Sodium ion. Influx of sodium ion through voltage gated sodium channel. আর repolarization কেন হবে?
Ma'am, efflux of sodium, potassium ion, ma'am.
Efflux, very good. Efflux of potassium ion through voltage gated potassium channel. You have to complete all the sentence, okay? Efflux of potassium ion
Ji,
through
ma'am.
voltage gated potassium channel. Thank you very much. Next question. What is, please write down everybody. What is spike potential? What is spike potential? What is overshoot? What is negative after potential? What is positive after potential or hyperpolarization? Again, I am repeating. What is spike potential? What is overshoot? What is negative after potential? What is positive after potential or hyperpolarization? Now, next question. How can action potential be blocked? Action potential ke tumi kibabe block korte paro? How can? This is important written question and viva question. How can action potential be blocked? Sorry. How can action potential be blocked? Action potential can be blocked by decreasing nerve excitability. The factors doing that called membrane stabilizing factors. That is calcium ions and local anesthetics can block অ্যাকশন পোটেনশিয়াল। তাহলে ভাইভা যদি আমি জিজ্ঞেস করি যে অ্যাকশন পোটেনশিয়ালকে তোমরা কিভাবে ব্লক করবে, অ্যান্সার হবে কি ক্যালসিয়াম আয়ন, দ্যাট ইজ হাইপারক্যালসিমিয়া ক্যান ব্লক action potential, and also local anesthetic drugs such as procaine, lidocaine, tetracaine. See here, calcium ions, a high ECF calcium ion concentration, that is hypercalcemia, decreases membrane permeability to sodium ions, reduces membrane excitability, blocks depolarization and action potential. And local anesthetics, that is procaine, lidocaine, tetracaine, blocks voltage gated sodium channel, blocks membrane excitability, blocks depolarization, no action potential occurs. No action potential occurs that time. So by hypercalcemia, that is high calcium ion and local anesthetics can block action potential. Now, next question. Which electrolyte is responsible for action potential and which electrolyte responsible for RMP? কেউ একজন বলো অ্যাকশন পোটেনশিয়ালের জন্য সবচেয়ে বেশি দরকারি ইলেকট্রোলাইট কোনটা? সোডিয়াম না পটাশিয়াম? একজন অ্যান্সারটা বলো, অ্যাকশন পোটেনশিয়ালের জন্য কোন ইলেকট্রোলাইটটা বেশি এসেনশিয়াল?
ম্যাম সোডিয়াম।
Yes, very good, সোডিয়াম। আর রেস্টিং মেমব্রেন পোটেনশিয়ালের জন্য কোনটা বেশি, কোন ইলেকট্রোলাইটটা বেশি জরুরি? একটু আগে বলেছিলাম
পটাশিয়াম।
Yes, very good. Potassium 100 times more permeable than sodium. পটাশিয়াম। তাহলে যে কোন ইলেকট্রোলাইটটা অ্যাকশন পোটেনশিয়ালের জন্য ভেরি মাচ এসেনশিয়াল? সোডিয়াম। আর কোন ইলেকট্রোলাইট আরএমপির জন্য বেশি এসেনশিয়াল? পটাশিয়াম। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। নাও নেক্সট কোশ্চেন। Define nerve impulse. Define all or nothing principle. This is very important questions for viva and written exam. Define nerve impulse. Nerve impulse মানে কি? Action potential. It is nothing but impulse means action potential. See here, transmission of an action potential along a nerve fiber is called nerve impulse. আমি বলেছিলাম muscle impulse, nerve impulse এগুলো হচ্ছে কি সব action potential এবং excitable tissue in our body কোনটা কোনটা? nerve tissue, nervous tissue এবং muscular tissue. These both are excitable tissue. Now, all or nothing principle. All or nothing principle মানে কি? হলে হবো না হলে হবো না। দেখো, if the stimulus is sub-threshold, যদি threshold-এর নিচে হয়, it's sub-threshold in magnitude, the nerve fiber doesn't respond at all. Nerve fiber-এ কোনো রকমের action potential হবে না ঠিক আছে there is no action potential is produced যদি আমি সাব থ্রেশহোল্ড that is threshold stimuli এর নিচে যদি তুমি কোনো স্টিমুলাস দাও তাহলে কোনো রকম অ্যাকশন পটেনশিয়াল তৈরি হবে না if the stimulus is at or above threshold যদি থ্রেশহোল্ড লেভেলের উপরে দাও at the level of threshold stimuli মানে threshold stimuli লেভেলে দাও অথবা একটু বেশি দাও তাহলে কি হচ্ছে the response of the nerve fiber is maximum that is action potential is produced this is called all or nothing principle these two definitions are very important for written and viva exam now differences between action potential of nerve and muscle differences between nerve and muscle excitable tissue differences write down the question differences between nerve and muscle excitable tissue see here physiological differences between nerve and muscle excitable tissue traits মানে কি বৈশিষ্ট্য traits means বৈশিষ্ট্য তাহলে দেখো নার্ভ এবং মাসল এক্সাইটেবল টিস্যুর মাঝে ফিজিওলজিক্যাল ডিফারেন্স গুলো আমরা কি কি পাচ্ছি যেমন ধরো ফাংশনাল ইউনিট হচ্ছে নার্ভে কি নিউরন মাসলে হচ্ছে অ্যাক্টিন এন্ড মায়োসিন ফাংশন টু এক্সাইট অর ইনহিবিট আদার সেলস আর এখানে হচ্ছে কি টু এক্সাইট কন্ট্রাকশন এন্ড রিল্যাক্সেশন আরএমপি নার্ভের জন্য নিউরনের জন্য কি আমরা জানি -70 মিলিভোল্ট মাসল হচ্ছে -80 to -90 মিলিভোল্ট velocity of conduction in case of nerve fiber it is 70 to 120 meter per second in case of muscle tissue 3 to 5 meter per second contractile mechanism absent in neuron and muscle present secretory mechanism present in neuron can secrete neurotransmitters and muscle and secretory mechanism absent control of activity it controls activity of muscle nerve can control neuron can control muscular activity but it doesn't control activity of nerve these are the differences physiological differences between nerve and muscle excitable tissue now last question from item 4 differences between action potential of nerve fiber and cardiac muscle see here it may come in your exam like this way differences between action potential of nerve and cardiac muscle or it may come like this differences between pacemaker tissue action potential of pacemaker tissue and non pacemaker tissue মানে কি SA node AV node আর non pacemaker tissue মানে কি atrial muscle and ventricular muscle মনে রাখবে there is some differences between pacemaker tissue and non pacemaker tissue action potential of pacemaker tissue that is SA node এর সাথে difference আছে কার cardiac muscle that is ventricular and atrial muscle এর difference আছে আবার action potential of nerve fiber and cardiac muscle এভাবেও তাহলে কোশ্চেনটা দুইটা প্যাটার্ন আসতে পারে differences between action potential of nerve fiber and cardiac muscle অথবা differences between এটা এভাবেও আসতে পারে SA node and action potential of SA node and cardiac muscle এভাবেও আসতে পারে তাহলে দেখো আমি দুইটাকেই মেনশন করেছি এখানে তাহলে যদি আসে action potential of nerve fiber and action potential of cardiac muscle তাহলে কি কি লিখবে action potential of nerve fiber occurs due to rapid influx of sodium through voltage gated sodium channel এর জন্যই ম্যাক্সিমাম মেইনলি হচ্ছে অ্যাকশন পটেনশিয়াল অফ নার্ভ ফাইবার আর যদি বলি যে কার্ডিয়াক মাসল দ্যাট ইজ ভেন্ট্রিকুলার এবং এট্রিয়াল মাসল অ্যাকশন পটেনশিয়াল দ্যাট ইজ নন পেসমেকার টিস্যুতে কেন হচ্ছে ডিউ টু নন পেসমেকার টিস্যু দেখো নন পেসমেকার টিস্যুতে হচ্ছে সেম থিং ইনফ্লাক্স অফ সোডিয়াম that is atrial and ventricular muscle that is cardiac muscle action potential ta keno hoy influx of sodium but in case of SA node AV node that is pacemaker tissue te keno hobe largely due to calcium influx and little contribution by sodium influx tale mainly hocche kintu SA node ebong AV node je hocche SA nodal je action potential hocche due to calcium ion but cardiac muscle that is atrial and ventricular muscle hocche due to sodium and nerve fiber o keno hocche due to sodium this is the major difference action potential of nerve fiber action potential of cardiac muscle and action potential of SA node now RMP লার্জ নার্ভ ফাইবার RMP হচ্ছে -90 মিলিভোল্ট, আর লার্জ নার্ভ ফাইবারে এখানে হচ্ছে কার্ডিয়াক মাসলে হচ্ছে দ্যাট ইজ নন পেসমেকার টিস্যু, দ্যাট ইজ এট্রিয়াল এন্ড ভেন্ট্রিকুলার মাসল, দ্যাট ইজ কার্ডিয়াক মাসল, RMP হচ্ছে -65 to -90 মিলিভোল্ট, and pacemaker tissue that is SA nodal RMP হচ্ছে -55 to -60 millivolt. Now, pre-potential. Next difference, pre-potential, in action potential of nerve fiber, pre-potential of course absent, and non-pacemaker tissue in SA node. In SA node, pre-potential absent. SA nodal action potential like nerve fiber action potential. Same. SA nodal action potential and nerve fiber action potential similarity. There is similarity in action potential of nerve fiber and SA nodal action potential. See here, pre-potential absent in nerve fiber action potential and in SA nodal action potential. Pre-potential absent, but present in pacemaker tissue, that is pre-potential absent in non-pacemaker tissue, in cardiac muscle, that is atrial and ventricular muscle, pre-potential absent. See here, please, there is slip of tongue from me. Pre-potential absent in non-pacemaker tissues, that is in cardiac muscle and in ventricular and atrial muscle, pre-potential absent. This is, you have to remember this thing. Pre-potential absent in nerve fiber and pre-potential also absent in cardiac muscle, that is atrial and ventricular muscle, but it is obviously present in pacemaker tissues, that is SA nodal action potential, it is present. Now, last thing, plateau absent in action potential of nerve fiber, plateau present in non-pacemaker tissues. This is very, very important. That is in atrial and ventricular muscle, that is in cardiac muscle, always plateau present. Plateau phase present in cardiac muscle, that is atrial and ventricular muscle, but absent in pacemaker tissue, that is SA nodal tissue and AV nodal tissue, absent. Plateau absent. These are the differences between action potential of nerve fiber and action potential of SA node and cardiac muscle. Now we'll start muscle physiology. See the questions of muscle physiology. First question, muscle contractile unit. This is very, very important viva questions and written questions. Muscle contractile unit, we know that everybody knew these things, that muscle contractile unit, actin and myosin filament, but in written khata you have to write down this question nicely. See here, thick filaments which are made up of myosin, and thin filament, that is actin, which are made up of, there are 3 types of actin. You knew that actin again divided into 3 types: actin, tropomyosin and troponin. Actin, tropomyosin and troponin. Now, troponin, again the troponin, nothing but protein molecules located at interval along the tropomyosin molecule. I'll show you figure. Now, see the types of troponin: troponin T, troponin C and troponin I. See functions of troponin T, it binds to troponin, it binds troponin to tropomyosin and form troponin tropomyosin complex. Troponin C, it binds with calcium that initiates muscle contraction, and troponin I inhibits the interaction of myosin with actin. This you have to write down in your khata, and for viva only tell the actin and myosin filament, and there are 3 types of actin, troponin, and there are 3 types of troponin. Actin again divided into 3 types: actin, tropomyosin, troponin, and troponin 3 types: troponin T, troponin C and troponin I. See the figure, very nice figure here. These are the globular protein, that is actin, and the dorir moto jeta ache, this is myosin filament, this is my tropomyosin, just like rope er moto jeta dorir moton pechiye ache seta ki tropomyosin. Troponin 3 types: troponin I, troponin C and troponin T, and globular protein, these are the actin filament. This is very nice picture. See here, actin filament, globular protein, this rope like structure, dorir moto je pechano seta tropomyosin. This is troponin C, troponin I and troponin T. Now, Neuromuscular junction or motor end plate. Describe neuromuscular junction and motor end plate. Already, I think everybody knew these things. This is very important written question. Description of neuromuscular junction also for Viva exam. What are the components of neuromuscular junction? We know that presynaptic terminal, synaptic cleft, and postsynaptic terminal. You have to memorize this question very nicely. Okay. Now I am showing you the figure of neuromuscular junction from genome. See here one nerve fiber, motor nerve fiber here. This is presynaptic nerve terminal. This portion is synaptic cleft, and this is postsynaptic membrane. And everybody knew this description. Okay. Now next question. What is sarcomere? What is sarcomere? The portion of the myofibrils in between two successive jet discs, that is one jet disc to another jet disc. In here, the myofibril present in this area. This is called sarcomere. The length of sarcomere is 2 micrometer. During muscle contraction, there is shortening of sarcomere but no change in length of actin and myosin filament. This is very, very important things. There is no change in length, actin and myosin filament during contraction. Only there is shortening of sarcomere. Now, what is motor unit? One motor nerve fiber with all muscle fibers that it supplies constitute one motor unit. Now, next question, what are the properties of skeletal muscle? Properties of skeletal muscle. See here, excitability, conductivity, contractility, extensibility, and elasticity. These are the properties of skeletal muscle. Next question, steps of skeletal muscle contraction and relaxation. Next question, steps of smooth muscle contraction and relaxation. Next question, role of calcium in muscle contraction. Role of calcium in muscle contraction. See here, role of calcium in muscle contraction. Action potential along T-tubule, calcium released from terminal cisternae of sarcoplasmic reticulum, calcium binds with troponin C, inhibition of troponin-tropomyosin complex, uncovers the active sites of actin, interaction of actin and myosin, so muscle contraction takes place. This is the role of calcium in muscle contraction. Now, next question, what is isotonic and isometric contraction? Please everybody write down this question. What is isotonic and isometric contraction? Next question. See, two type of ATPase involved in muscle contraction, myosin ATPase and sarcoplasmic dependent ATPase. Therefore, both contraction and the process of relaxation both are active process, because contraction and relaxation both require ATP. That's why this both reaction is called active process. Now, what is rigor mortis? What is heat rigor? What is rigor mortis and what is heat rigor? Rigor mortis, several hours after death, all the muscles of the body go into a state of contraction called rigor mortis. Rigor mortis, that is muscle contract become rigid even without action potential due to depletion of ATP. দেখা যায় যে কোনো একটা পারসন মারা যাওয়ার পরেও দেখা যায় যে তার মাসলগুলি several hours পর একটা রিজিড কন্ট্রাকশন হয়ে যায়, কিন্তু হয় কেন হয়? হয় এই জন্য হয় যে মাসলগুলি কন্ট্রাক্ট করে কিন্তু কোনো এটিপি না থাকার কারণে আর রিল্যাক্স স্টেটে দেখা যায় যে খুব দ্রুত রিল্যাক্স স্টেটে আসতে পারে না। দিস ইজ কল্ড রাইগর mortis due to depletion of ATP. ATP টা বডিতে তখন থাকে না after death. Heat rigor টা কি? Stiffening and shortening of the muscle fibers because of high temperature, more than 50 degrees centigrade, and few books it mentioned as more than 60 degrees centigrade. No problem at all, 50 or 60. It is called heat rigor. It is due to coagulation of muscle protein. এখানে heat rigor কি হয়ে যায়? Muscle protein গুলি coagulation হয়ে যায় এবং heat rigor is not reversible. That is giving treatment, তুমি এটাকে ঠিক করতে পারবে না। Treatment দিও heat rigor, you cannot correct this condition. So heat rigor is not reversible condition. Now, last question. Differences between tetany and tetanus. This is my favorite question. What do you mean by tetany? What do you mean by tetanus? Tetany is a clinical condition, as we know, that resulting from decreased plasma ion concentration, which causes neuromuscular hyperexcitability. That is hypocalcemia. Hypocalcemia, যখন বডিতে ক্যালসিয়াম লেভেল কমে যায়, তখন কি হবে? টিটিনি হবে। আমরা জানি নরমাল ক্যালসিয়াম লেভেল কত? 9 according to your textbook. এখানে যদিও দিয়েছে গাইটনে 9.4 milligram per deciliter. We can tell here physiological range 9.5 to 10.5 milligram per dl. যদি 6 milligram per dl এর নিচে চলে যায় ক্যালসিয়াম লেভেল, টিটিনি অকার। আর লিথাল বলতে কি বুঝি? যেটাকে আমি ট্রিটমেন্ট দিয়েও ঠিক করতে পারবো না। লিথাল কন্ডিশন হচ্ছে ক্যালসিয়াম লেভেল যদি 4 milligram per deciliter হয়ে যায়, সেক্ষেত্রে কি হবে? This condition is irreversible. This is lethal condition. Now, what is tetanus? This is last thing. What is tetanus? See here, physiological tetanus and pathological tetanus. Physiological tetanus, we can tell this thing tetanization also. Physiological tetanus, please concentrate here. Physiological tetanus, we can tell this tetanization. It is a sustained contraction of muscle due to repeated stimuli. মাসলটা টনিক্যালি কন্ট্রাকশন করে ফেলবে এবং এটাকে আমরা টিটেনাইজেশন বলতে পারি অথবা ফিজিওলজিক্যাল টিটেনাস বলতে পারি। আর প্যাথোলজিক্যাল টিটেনাস হচ্ছে কি? এটা একটা ডিজিজ, pathological tetanus or lockjaw disease. এখানে কি হয়? It is a disease caused by Bacillus clostridium tetani. একটা ব্যাকটেরিয়া দিয়ে হচ্ছে। Clostridium tetani, one type of bacillus or bacteria. এটা দিয়ে এই pathological tetanus, এটা একটা ডিজিজ কন্ডিশন। কি হয়? মাসলগুলি টনিক্যালি কন্ট্রাকশন করে, বিশেষ করে জ মাসলগুলি কন্ট্রাক্ট করে ফেলে। এইজন্য পারসন কি করবে? লকজ হয়ে যাবে, ওপেন করতে পারবে না মাউথ। দিস ইজ অলসো কল্ড লকজ ডিজিজ। ইট এফেক্টস দ্য নার্ভাস সিস্টেম এন্ড ইটস কমন ফিচার্স আর মাসল স্পাজম এন্ড প্যারালাইসিস। এবং প্রথম যে সিমটমটা আমরা দেখি সেটা হচ্ছে লকজ। এখানে জ মাসলস গুলি স্টিফেনিং, টাইটেনিং এবং একটা সাস্টেইন কন্ট্রাকশন হয়ে যায়। সেজন্য এটাকে লকজ ডিজিজ আমরা বলতে পারি। সো দিস ইজ দ্য ডিফারেন্সেস বিটুইন টিটেনি এন্ড টিটেনাস or titanization. Okay. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum.